How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, and I hope everybody's doing well. I am starting the video off a little bit different today. I'm actually headed to this place called Gifts and Gadgets. I'm going to see if they have two locks that I can put on my saddlebags. Hopefully they do. If so, that'll just be another step closer to me getting my bags all secure. I'm gonna take y'all along with me. I got the bags in the back in the trunk. This place is probably like 10 minutes from my house, so not too far to drive. Yeah, so thank y'all for tuning in, and I'll see y'all when we get there. All right, we are here. So you got the bags in the back. Gifts and Gadgets. All right, let's go see if they can get me right. All right, y'all, so they did not have what I needed here, but he told me I can go to a place called Founders Builders, and they may have the lock that I needed for the bags. So I'm finna head down there and see if they got them. Let's go. All right, y'all, so I ended up buying cabinet locks, cam lock. It should be the same as the lock that the original lock that came on it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm actually in the parking lot of the business that I got it from, and I'm gonna go ahead on and see if I got all my tools here, so I'm gonna see if I can go ahead on and install it on the saddlebags, and if I can't, then I'll just return it. She said I could return it, and if not, then I may have to just go and order the original lock. So yeah, about to get to work. Shouldn't take long, should be easier getting in there. Like I said, I got my tools set here, but yeah, I'm finna knock it out, see if I can do it here in the parking lot. What y'all think? I gotta get that snug in somehow. If I can get it snug in, it may work. I may have to take it to the house and do it. It may work. I'm gonna take it to the house so I can kind of see if I can work it a little better. It's hot in here. It's hot out here. So I'll see y'all back at the house. All right, y'all, that's one lockdown. It seemed like it works pretty good. Clean look, I think. Unlocks it. Locks it. So, yeah. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side. Nice little clean look. Let me focus, 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 focus. All right, let's knock the other side out. All right, y'all, it's later in the evening. I end up checking the mail, and I got my dampers delivered. I went on and ordered 4 new dampers for the bags. 2 of them were okay, but the other 2 were kind of messed up. So I went on and ordered 4 new dampers for the bags, so I can go ahead and put them on just to secure it in more. I pretty much go ahead and put these on. I ain't gonna pretty much hold y'all with that. It's pretty simple process. You just stick them in the hose and cushion them up, and that'll help keep the bags in place so it won't be hitting up against the little rear fender. My guy Kelly B said I need a washer, so which I did. I had 2 washers that were still, well, actually I had 1 washer that I could still use, and I thought I had some in the garage, which I did, but they didn't fit. So appreciate that, Kelly B. I ended up getting some washers from Lowe's, and they fit well, so I'm gonna put them on. It ain't gonna take me too long to do it. Yeah, thank y'all for watching. I really appreciate y'all. So I'm locked in. Like I said, I'm gonna put these dampers in and put the screw in. Actually, I got 2 screws. I put 1 on each side for now, but I should have 2 more coming in the mail soon, so I should be good to go then. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for tuning in. Looks like it's about to rain out here. The wind just blowing. Yeah, so I really appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for just, watching my journey. Y'all continue to stay safe out there. Continue to be vigilant. And again, I really appreciate y'all. I'll catch you on the next one. Later.